Welcome to Geeks Amaze. Today we have brought you the courses from one of the leading platform, which is IBM. So IBM is providing the courses for free, so you can complete the course successfully and you can avail the certificate for free, which will be provided by the IBM itself. So let's get started. The platform is cognitiveclass.ai. So you can enroll in the courses by clicking on the link that will be provided in the description below. So let's get started to this. So these are the learning paths. The first one is blockchain, and the second one is reactive architecture, and the third one is Kubernetes, and it also has data science and deep learning and big data and Hadoop fundamentals. So those who are willing to learn data science can click on it and can enroll here. So it consists of 3 modules. So after the completion of each module, you will get a certificate and badge from the IBM, which will be a verified certificate and verified badge. So you can click on the link and you can click enroll. So if you click on it, it gets enrolled. So after clicking on it, it will show like these videos, and it also has various huge amount of content. So it has 5 modules. The first module is learning objective and types and expression variables and review questions. So each module will have labs and review questions. You need to complete them. They will not be evaluated, but it provides the opportunity to learn. So you need to complete this module successfully. So after completion of these modules, there will be a final exam. You need to pass the final exam in order to get a certificate and badge. Here you can see the completion certificate and badge. So here you can avail after completing the course successfully. There will be 3 attempts that are provided in order to complete the course. So the exam will be of 1 hour. So you can see here and after the completion of it, you can go here and you can enroll in this course, the data analysis with Python, which will be of intermediate level. It teaches the basics how to perform data analysis using Python. So after completing this course, the next one will be data visualization. So it will provide the knowledge about data visualization, and after completing these 3 courses successfully, you will get a badge officially from IBM and certification from IBM, which is known as Applied Data Science with Python Learning Path badge. So these badges and certificates, you can share them on LinkedIn and you can show your skills to your peers and employers. So guys, you can enroll in any of the courses and you can enroll how many courses you want and you can complete them successfully. So these courses will be available for a limited time. So if you want to learn something, you can enroll in any of the courses and you can learn the fundamentals through the industrialists experts. So guys, I hope you like this video very much and interesting. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe to our channel So we'll be providing a lot of updates about jobs and courses and certifications. Thank you guys.